I'm here with Nii Codjoe, ENTJ Social 3, and Nii actually worked with Antonia and Joel for a little bit at Personality Hacker.
I would probably describe my NI in a couple different ways. One of them is I would say it's a map. If this were like a video game, right? Like there's a part of me with SE and TE that's like in the video game and I'm like running around. And then I would say my NI would be almost like an advisor that's outside of the game or outside of the environment. And it's basically saying, okay, Nii, inside the game, you probably want to make a left coming up because there's a ton of traffic coming. And if you make a left at the next slide, you're probably going to shave off about 5 or 10 minutes. I believe that the fastest way to get to any destination is by hanging around people that are already there. The best way to have any kind of outcome is to do the right things. But the best way to do the right things is to become the kind of person that would naturally do those things. When I think about something that who I want to become or like where I want to go, I start with who. Whereas TE is normally like how. And so I'm like, TE, we're going to just set you back for a while and let's use NI and FI to become the kind of person that it would just naturally create that outcome in a way that's very organic and natural.
Wow.
And the how, there's so many ways to get to a destination. And so the how is actually the least important. I feel like the most important part is becoming that person. I feel like a lot of ENTJs like are still kind of driven by the I gotta do. And the doing isn't inherently bad, but the question is, well, why or what's the reason you're so compelled to do? What's the reason? What's driving it? And I suspect for a lot of people that have that do instinct, behind all of that is deep insecurities.